No mu nim de ehye no mu nim de ehye Ameri na se afa ya papa Boakye agya akonom ko mu se yenkope kwan a yedi betwam a yesi betwam ne yenhwe enti Mahama de bia ne ntoko a wokono eye faketo abegi kese Tema Port also per 7 billion. And then ubetia more than 27 million. Sorry, 27 billion. 27 billion. You go for 7 billion, and if you want to cancel the deal, we have to pay 27 billion. And then Tema Port, what the Niama for want to mean? Ghana for you if he say will be the cost shares, some deal no, I can sign it, and at the I our port and operators who they say. Adiana Sabi, President Kufuor beton ye one sign. Udie. Ya papa tamere ba ye one sign because ya den na wo ka kire me say wo be fa me Tema Port. Na wo wi a enipa kura be ya adwuma wo ho no wo na wo ko fa omodi omo aba. Meaning say me Ghana fo ya adwuma wo port bebre beba betena fie. Na ye nim sika sabe ye nim aduro sabe ye nim dia ye de ye John Dramani Mahama nko a wono nko aba ye wo tumi kwaji tum na say na ya be se Ghana fo mo de mo nko so na mo nge e na Kufu adwa mo men mo ayede mo be brebia se Mahama ba adia from Kufu no time ye maintaining no at 30% no John Dramani Mahama sign no. From 30%, we were only getting 15%. 15%. 15%. Sister Linda, when I finish, I will give you a call. Why? Number now, on a political zone number now, but I wanted you to send a message on it. Now come to me the personal number amount. Why? Don't worry. Thank you too. And then Tema Port who yi ka ne boye den Ghana fo kura binim kura nim se Tema Port no sebe Mahama e de akogye awowa enti yen control hobio obi nim wo bet na so na wo pese wo bie Ghana fo ani no motia no mo aba ejimi fo e na water se Kufu adodan Godfrey Dami tie ya mo huni ya sa 15% no wa fight ya mende ya je back 30%. Ye niska ye di betua enti ese papa no odaso a MLK Ghana. Such a man gets you such deals. O dear fan say MPP for crap na e kan the IMF kind also so e dey na wo kan fa ho. O dear fan say the MPP for kan no e ye tra what of what the IMF said. And the IMF was clear. So most of contract you have done Mahama nena buying signing, you know, it didn't help us. Yes, send it to the political zone page. There's a political zone no. Eya in WhatsApp. Sister Linda, do it WhatsApp. +1 647 559 2317. Into +1, baby, I will be on +1 647 559 2317. So we are we'll send him beba, and then I'll talk to you with that. But hey, on the real, we sit down and we forget the things here. John Dramani Mahama and then Abayembeye, and we rubbish everything that the Kufuor has been able to do so far. Anyways, Makasa almost an hour. May the 30 minutes see run it through the reason why we came here. I want to show this data if it is possible. The patron radio Ghana, your GDP growth, and then who are dear when I'm say, hey, and why do people vote against NPP? Salinda, why do people vote against NPP? Shadio, a free 1960. Ghana for your dear who share or man who say, yeah, my answer be economic, you know, Shadio. Ghana GDP averagely 16.77 USD billion from 1960 Sister, until 2022. Reaching an all-time high of 79.16 billion American dollars. This is in 2021. And a record low of 1.22 billion in 1960. Minya, mama maye nye dia ye Ghana no. Na Ghana eye baako pe. Odo NDC pa, mesume do MPP pa. But abai mi no. Why no ba Ghana kone nim? And no one sem na ye king. Broni bi brofo a wokan ye was a book no lie. Yes, Ghana, ye sika ye nya, ye growth a ye nya no, okay? I average 16. Enti ya papa kufuo when to me amfa nko 20. Utie. Ya papa your friend is saying what averagely no we were hovering around 16.77 USD. I mean billion. Until 2022. A core all-time high of 79.16 billion USD. Now, what catch me say? Sa abaining mowe feli. Na dia, ni GDP growth, it kept declining. No, onum boom, ayadie. Ghana for, mama ye ni na ho. She. Mama yeni enda ho na de ayeye Ghana no won ebire bi beba ye nkoda ye aya wo mo akire isesintia omo be broyen enkoda yi betwitwituo e wo ye so enam tabe bone a ye di sa nkoda we no bone pa ye di sa nkoda we no because eni amani bi sebe ento asomo mame we ye den a baby mpewe meba anianum monhwade o hwe yan tariffs okay tariffs ye de to sebe eniama so when you look at from 1993 back you can still see it clearly say anytime a MPP ye wa ban mu bia no eniama so te still NDC for say MPP affiliate meba the American and Casanem, we are there. Maybe go back. Oh, you know, and cry grown name on your sao. Quabli kumai, those times, you know, we jaho, mokaya teteno, Isaaco usuninganum, Samokaya, a police phobia, a for Langard, for Kobubu, Womo, Ediomuko CSC, any idea. This is how Ghana was. Now, so we are in Kreni, Nasa Papa Way is your king now. You should be very, very, very proud of the tremendous work he's doing with all the clans. I just don't celebrate people. I celebrate people who are making an impact. That is why me and the Udemiko Volta region. Now Ubisami say, who is the most important chief or making impact? Talk Bisri. Ono menka say be Togya Fed no mu nye good o omo so ma yo mo de but I'm telling you say uko voter regional Togbi oh yeah hwe ye hu aigbefu ahemfu bebre wo mumu wan e na nya akukuduro say yanka ye nuanom ni na mbom na hogbe toto no se den na ye di na yanko an ye di no yantrem said the beya e de economic relief e de nkabom unity e bebre ye ahemfu no ampa o ye otumfo firi asante ekoye ye hini ayi enkrafo hene ono so koboa no ye hu bono hene kese ye hu ahemfu bebre wo mu nyina de wo mu support eko title besiri achi enti for me I'll forever celebrate that man. I don't care whether he's NDC, MPP, whatever that he is, I'll forever celebrate him because he has showed me something I have not seen any voter chief show. And that is why I respect, and that is what I'm saying with this guy person. Since this guy chief baye, menka sebi asase hun semu ni na won kran asolvo na so so be hwa enam ni leadership odi aba eye enkran fraternity ni mu nti no wan hu say sabe yen seda entitete ewurukasam na ekokoso those times no yen tibio yete kra na yen ti no as we used to hear it enunti ende akoye ne birthday na se mitumi yeden se mitumi ma king happy birthday intime ma king Taki Teko Churu the second. Nana, I hope I got the name right. Ni Teko Dabi Taki Teko Churu the second. Ga Manche. Yes. Nana onkwaso. Numba jobu.